Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today I'm going to teach you tulip pants. For this I took 2 meter long fabric. It's a cotton fabric. You can use any other also. And the same color lace. It will enhance the beauty of this pant. Tulip pants is also called samosa shalwar in local language. It has unique outlook that combines the modern with tradition and elegance with the style. This is 2 meter long fabric. I fold it in half and then cut it from the center. First I am working on the front meter. So I fold this fabric in half and take the measurement. Total length of this pant is 27, but this is the lower part of pants, so it is 24 inches including the seams allowance. And extra fabric I will remove these, and I will make a square of this fabric. After removing the extra fabric, take the measurement again. Length and width should be same, like 24 inches length and 24 inches width. This is the lace. I will be sewing this lace one side of my fabric like this. You can see that lace has been attached. Now tag the pin in measuring tape and then tag in starting at the folded corner. Measure down the number of inches. Rotate your measuring tape down the same distance and mark with chalk. Continue doing this until you have created an arc across the top corner of folded fabric. Once you have marked your arc, simply next to the chalk trail you have just created, cut out first tulip black band from fabric. Now it's time to mark the crotch curve. Total length of crotch curve is 11 inches including the waistband. So I am marking 6 inches and waistband width is 5 inches. So total crotch curve is 11 inches. After measuring it, cut it out from the fabric. After crotch cut, it looked like this. Now it's time to wrap this pant like tulip. It's very important part of this video, so watch carefully. You can see that it has 4 parts. Now I will sew it from here to there. I sewed it. You can see that. Now it's time to make the pleats. Just make 2 or 3 big pleats, front side and back side as well. Fold all back side and front side pleats towards crotch curve. After pinning, I am sewing it. I sewed it, you can see that. I already prepared another lag pants and cut the crotch curve as well. It's time to sew the crotch lines. I already told you this lag band has 4 parts. You can see that 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I am sewing 4th part of both bands together. First I will sew it from the needle. I am using black color thick thread in order to explain you properly. And after that I will sew it from sewing machine. I'm not using same color thread. If I use it, then you cannot see it carefully. So I am using black color thick thread. Hand stitching is good for explaining. Now open up and take the last and 4th part of both bands and start sewing. Keep sewing until you will sew complete crotch lines. You can see that front side and back side as well. From the center. Now sew from the machine also. After that, remove the black thread. You can see that I sewed the both black bands. It's time to attach the waistband with this. For this I already prepared waistband, so I will sew with band. It is completed and ready to wear. You can see the finishing and how beautiful and elegant it looks like. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.